Hello friends, today we are going to see a time series analysis problem. Time series analysis problem by using the method of least squares, method of least squares. Now here an equation is given, her sum is given, that means fit the linear trend equation and also estimates the sale for the year 1993. In one column, year are given starting from 1994, 95, 96 till 2001, and in the second column, sales in terms of tons is given, that is in 1994 the sales was 550 tons, in 1905 the sale was 560 tons, in 96 the sale was 555 tons. Similarly, likewise in the year 2001 the sale was 585 tons. Now here friends, we need to calculate the trend values and we also need to calculate the two trend line equations. Now how to calculate that? First and foremost thing is that we need to get the data. Like here we can see that the value of n, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So here the value of n is equal to 8, that means this is an odd value. So we are unable to locate the mid value or the middle of the year. Now you can very well see that the mid value or the middle of the year comes between 1997 and 98. Okay, so we need to shift the origin to the timeline which is the arithmetic mean of the two middle times. That means the origin should be shifted between the arithmetic mean of the two middle times, that is 1997 and 1998. So how we can calculate that? That is given by x is equal to t minus into bracket 1997 plus 1998 divided by 2. This is mean of those 2 years divided by 1/2, that is interval. So this comes out to be 2 into bracket t minus 1997 plus 1998 divided by 2, that is 1997.5. This is how we can shift, this is how we are shifting the origin. So say this is our equation number 1. This is our equation number 1. Okay, so now we need to calculate the value of x. That means x is equal to 2 into bracket t minus 1997.5, bracket complete. Now we need to calculate each and every value of x. So for example, in the first case, x is equal to 2 into bracket t. What is t? Here the year represents the value as small t, whereas the sales in terms of ton is represented by the value small y. Now for first, this is how the equation will go on. T, what is t? 1994 minus 1997.5, but this is 2 times, so this value will be minus 7. Similarly, we need to calculate the second value, that is 2 into bracket, what is t? T is 1995 minus 1997.5, so the value comes out to be minus 5. Similarly, here the value will be minus 3 because the difference is of 1. Here the value will be minus 1. Here it will be 2 into bracket 1998 minus 1997.5. So this will be a plus value, that is 1. Here it will be 3. Here it will be 5, and similarly the last value will be 7. Okay friends, now next question is we need to calculate the value of x square. That means the square of these the column number 3. So this is minus 7 square, that is 49, minus 5 square, that is 25, minus 3 square, that is 9, minus 1 square, that is 1, again this is 1, 3 square which is 9, this is 25, and this is 49. Similarly, we need to calculate the next value, that is x into y. So for that we need to multiply the column number 2 with column number 3. That means 550 multiplied by minus 7. So the answer comes out to be minus 3850. Similarly, 560 multiplied by minus 5, the value comes out to be minus 2800. Next, 555 multiplied by minus 3, the value comes out to be minus 1665. Next will be minus 585. Next, 540 into 1, that is 540. Next, 525 multiplied by 3, which comes out to be 1575. 545 multiplied by 5, the value comes out to be 22725. And finally, 585 multiplied by 7, the value comes out to be 4095. So friends, here we need to calculate the two normal line equations. We need to get the two normal equations. So how do we get those two equations for calculating or for estimating the values of A and B? For estimating the values of A and B, which is given by the formula summation of y is equal to small n into A plus B into summation of x. And the second equation I'll just write down here, summation of xy is equal to A into summation of x plus B into summation of x square. So here, what is the value of summation of y? We need to calculate. Summation of y means we need to take the total, we need to add all these values, and then we'll get the answer. The answer is 4445. Similarly, we need to calculate the value of summation of x, which is nothing but minus 7, minus 5, minus 3, minus 1, 135. So this becomes 0. Now next, summation of x square. The total of these square, this comes out to be 168. And finally, summation of xy, summation of x into y. The value comes, the addition of all these values comes out to be small value, that is 35. So we have the value of summation of y, that is 4445, is equal to n. What is the value of n? N is 8 into A plus B into summation of x. What is the value of summation of x? Which is 0. Therefore, 8A is equal to 4445. Therefore, the value of A will be 4445 divided by 8, which comes out to be 555.63. So this is our value of A. This is what we have got, the value of A. Now we need to calculate the value of B from the second equation. Here it is given summation of x into y. The value is 35 is equal to A into summation of x. What is summation of x? That is 0 plus B into summation of x square. So summation of x square is 168. So this is 0. This will be 35 is equal to 168b. Therefore, the value of b will be 35 divided by 168. This value comes out to be 0.21. The value of b comes out to be 0.21. Therefore, our trend line equation, so what is this? What is our trend line equation? Our trend line equation is nothing but, it is given by the formula y is equal to a plus bx. Here we are going to put the values of a as well as b, that is y is equal to a. What is a? The value of a is 555.63 plus b. What is b? That is 0.21 multiplied by x. So this is our trend line equation, what we need to calculate, the trend line equations. Similarly, we also need to calculate the trend values. Friends, in the problem it will always be given that you need to calculate the values of trend. So for that, I'll just put the formula, that is y is equal to 555.63 plus 0.21x. Now I am going to substitute the value of x as it is. In the first equation it will be 555.63 plus 0.21 into x. What is x? X is minus 7. X is minus 7. So first value comes out to be 554.16. Similarly, the next value comes out to be 554.58. Now this is how you have to calculate all the trend values. The third value will be 555, fourth value will be 555.42, next will be 555.84, next will be 555.26, the next value will be 556.26, and the last value will be 556. This will be, sorry, this is 557, this is 557.10, this is 557.10, and here the value is 555.84, and this is 555, this is 556.26, and this is 556.6. Now here we have calculated the trend values. Now we need to estimate the sales. That means we need to estimate the sales for the year 1993. Here the value of T is given. So here the value of given, what is the given thing? The given things, that the given value is T is equal to 1993. What we need to calculate? Estimate the sales. That means we need to calculate the value of Y. So how we will calculate? We will calculate it by the formula, that is y is equal to 555.63 plus, this is 0.21 into x. So what is this x? X is nothing but into x. X is nothing but T. Sorry, this is x. The value of x is, this is equal to 555.63 plus 0.21, this I'm going to put in one bracket. Next is x. Is the value of x is 2 into bracket T. What is T? That is 1993 minus 1997.5, bracket, whole bracket complete. Therefore the value of y which we are going to get for the year, that is 1993, the value of y is 553.74 tons. Fine. I hope friends you might have understood the problem. First we have calculated the two normal equations. After calculating the two normal equations, we have put the value of a as well as b in our trend line equation, that is y is equal to a plus bx. We got this equation. From this equation we have estimated the values, that is trend values, by putting the value of x into those things. So we have calculated the trend values. Also we need to get the value of sales when the time, that is T, is 1993. We need to get the value of y. So we have the formula y is equal to 555.63 plus 0.21x. So what is x? X which is given here in the equation 1 is T minus 1997. So 0.21 into bracket 1993 minus 1997.5. So we got the value as of y as 553.74 tons. Friends, I hope you might have understood the problem. Thank you for watching my video.